You know what time it is? It's time for some paleontology facts about dinosaurs and their bones. Let's do this one fact at a time. Number 1. Dinosaur bones are often found in clusters. It's because when they were alive, dinosaurs were social creatures who liked to hang out with their friends and family. And when they died, their bodies would often decompose together in groups, leaving behind a jumble of bones that are now our precious fossils. No, 2 dinosaur bones can tell us what they ate. See, when a dinosaur was alive, it would poop out poop nuggets, little things called coprolites. They're preserved in some dinosaur fossil sites and we can find them. We can even look at the chemistry of those coprolites to figure out what the dino was eating. For example, if there's a lot of iron, maybe they were eating a lot of red meat. If there's a lot of silicon, maybe they were munching on some grass. No. 3 dinosaur bones can also tell us where they got their water. See? When dinosaurs were alive, Earth's continents were connected in a supercontinent called Pangaea. But as the continents drifted apart, those dinosaurs had to adapt to new environments, including new climates and, importantly, new sources of water. Scientists have found that the oxygen levels in the bones of some dinosaurs changed as the continents split up, which means they probably had to change where they got their drinking water. Before the split, they were probably getting their water from rivers and lakes. But after the split, those water sources dried up, and the dinos had to move to coastal areas where they could slurp up seawater. Fact no. 4. Dinosaur bones can help scientists understand evolution. One of the reasons that scientists are so interested in the genus Ankylosaurus is that it's a great example of evolution in action. Over the course of its lifetime, Ankylosaurus changed a lot. It grew bigger, heavier armor. But those changes didn't happen all at once. Scientists have found that the adult Ankylosaurus had more than twice the amount of bony plates and spikes than the young ones did. By studying the growth rings inside their bones, scientists were able to piece together how these dinosaurs evolved over time. Kind of like growth rings on a tree stump, except on a dinosaur. No, 5 dinosaur bones can be radioactive. Okay, not all of them, but some of them. In 1998, scientists found a fossilized dino bone in Montana that was full of radioactive isotopes. The radiation was coming from the element thorium, which was normally found in igneous rocks. Thorium decays into a gas called radon, which can seep into the groundwater in over millions of years, make its way into the bones of living things, in this case, dinosaurs. Scientists think this dino might have been around 65 million years old when it died, which is pretty close to the age of the asteroid impact that killed off the dinosaurs. So maybe, just maybe, this dino was one of the last of its kind, or its bones are literally radioactive with age. So remember, next time you're looking at a dinosaur bone, it's more than just a big old hunk of rock. It's a window into the past, a time capsule from a long-gone era. And if you're lucky, you might even get to see a dinosaur poop nugget.